Do you find it tough to feel confident in swimwear now that you're over 50? You're not alone. As we age, our bodies change, and it can be challenging to find swimwear that makes us feel both comfortable and stylish. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the top swimsuit styles specifically designed to enhance your figure and make you feel fabulous. I'll show you how to choose the perfect swimwear that makes you look and feel amazing. And there's more. Make sure to watch till the end for a special tip that will take your beach look to the next level. You won't want to miss this exclusive advice that could transform your summer wardrobe. Let's start with embracing your unique body shape. Many women over 50 feel self-conscious about their changing bodies, but understanding your body shape is key to finding a swimsuit that enhances your natural beauty. Whether you're an apple, pear, hourglass, or rectangle, there's a style for you. For instance, a V-neck one-piece can elongate the torso and draw attention upward, flattering an apple shape. On the other hand, if you have a pear-shaped body, you might want to draw attention to your upper body. Off-the-shoulder or ruffle tops can help create the illusion of broader shoulders. This balances your proportions and enhances your overall look. Avoid swimsuits that have a lot of detail around the hips, as this can make your lower body appear larger than it is. Another example is the hourglass shape. If you have an hourglass figure, go for swimsuits that highlight your waist. A belted swimsuit can work wonders by drawing attention to your narrowest point. On the other hand, if you're rectangle-shaped, look for styles that add curves, like ruffled tops or padded cups. Avoid shapeless swimsuits that do nothing to enhance your figure. Embrace your unique figure and choose styles that make you feel confident and beautiful. The key is to find what works best for you and makes you feel your best. Next up, let's talk about comfort and support. One of the most common complaints I hear is about discomfort and lack of support in swimwear. As we age, we need more support, especially in the bust area. Look for swimsuits with wide straps, soft cups, and tummy control panels. These elements can make a world of difference. A tankini with wide, adjustable straps not only looks great, but feels great too. You can mix and match the pieces to suit your mood and occasion. These adjustable features ensure a perfect fit, which is crucial for comfort and support. Another great option is a one-piece swimsuit with tummy control panels. These can make a huge difference in how you feel and look. They provide gentle compression, which smooths out your silhouette and gives you a more defined waist. Additionally, soft cups offer the right amount of support without feeling restrictive, allowing you to move freely. Now, let's talk about colors. Many women are concerned about looking larger in swimwear. Dark and solid colors tend to be more slimming and flattering. Patterns can work too, but ensure they are not too busy or overwhelming. For instance, a black one-piece swimsuit with side ruching offers a slimming effect. This creates an illusion of a more defined waistline, which can be very flattering. On the other hand, bright large prints can draw unwanted attention to areas you might be less confident about. These bold patterns can sometimes make you appear larger than you are. Stick to smaller patterns or solid colors for a more elegant look. If you love prints, try to opt for smaller, more subtle patterns that don't overwhelm your frame. Delicate florals or small polka dots can be both chic and flattering. Vertical stripes can also be very flattering as they elongate the body. This can help create the appearance of a longer, leaner silhouette. Avoid large, bold patterns that can make you look bigger than you are. These can often draw the eye to areas you'd prefer to downplay. Remember, the goal is to feel confident and stylish without drawing attention to areas you'd rather not highlight. This brings us to the importance of fabric choice. Low-quality fabrics can lose shape quickly and offer little support, leaving you feeling uncomfortable. Instead, opt for high-quality fabrics like lycra or spandex. These materials provide better fit, durability, and shape retention. They also offer more compression, which can be slimming. A swimsuit made with high-quality lycra maintains its shape and provides gentle compression, enhancing your silhouette. Avoid cheap, thin materials that stretch out and lose their supportive qualities. High-quality fabrics also tend to last longer, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. You deserve the best, so invest in swimwear that will make you feel great. Additionally, look for swimsuits with UV protection. As we age, our skin becomes more susceptible to sun damage. A swimsuit with built-in UV protection can help protect your skin while you enjoy the sun. Compare this with regular swimsuits that offer no additional protection, and you'll see the difference it makes. UV protection not only keeps your skin safe, but also helps prevent the fabric from fading, maintaining the vibrant color of your swimsuit. Moving on to coverage. This is a big concern for many of us. Finding the right amount of coverage is essential for comfort and confidence. High-waisted bottoms, swim dresses, and skirts can provide additional coverage while still looking chic. Personally, I love high-waisted bikini bottoms. They offer coverage and style, making me feel comfortable and chic. High-waisted bottoms also provide support for the midsection, which can be a bonus for many of us. Avoid low-rise bikini bottoms if they make you feel self-conscious. It's all about what makes you feel your best. Swim dresses are another fantastic option. They provide more coverage while still being stylish and feminine. They can be particularly flattering if you prefer more coverage around the hips and thighs. Plus, they can double as a cute outfit for walking around the beach or poolside. Pair them with a wide-brimmed hat and sandals, and you have a perfect beach day look. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. Many of us stick to the same old styles out of fear of trying something new. However, exploring new styles can be incredibly rewarding. Consider swim dresses, tankinis, or high-neck swimsuits. These styles can offer more coverage and a fresh look. For instance, a swim dress with built-in shorts can provide a flattering silhouette and extra coverage. Don't limit yourself to just one-piece swimsuits because you're afraid to try something new. You might discover a style that makes you feel fabulous. Additionally, try high-neck swimsuits for a sophisticated and elegant look. These swimsuits can offer excellent coverage for the chest area while still looking trendy. High-neck swimsuits can also provide more sun protection for your shoulders and chest, making them a practical choice. Avoid styles that don't fit well or don't make you feel comfortable, as they can detract from your confidence. And now, for the exclusive tip you've been waiting for. If you often feel uncomfortable walking around in just a swimsuit, sheer cover-ups can be a game changer. They provide coverage while still showcasing your swimsuit. Look for light, breathable fabrics that can be easily thrown over your swimsuit. They add an element of sophistication and can boost your confidence. I've found that sheer cover-ups are my secret weapon. Whether I'm at the beach or the pool, they make me feel stylish and put together. A sheer, long kimono-style cover-up that drapes beautifully can make you feel like a beach goddess. Avoid heavy, opaque cover-ups that can make you feel hotter and less comfortable. I have a couple of questions for you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to finding the perfect swimsuit? And what swimwear style makes you feel most confident? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love this next one on classy summer looks for women over 50.